In this video, I'll demonstrate how to monitor the health of Teams devices in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Teams Devices, followed by Phones. This grid shows a list of Teams phones in your organization. The Health Status column indicates the overall condition of each device. Healthy devices are online and ready to use, while non-urgent devices have small issues. Critical devices have severe issues impacting their use, and offline devices aren't available at all. Above the list, the Health Summary card gives you a nice overview of your device's health. Select any status, like non-urgent, to filter the list for just those devices. And to learn more about a particular device's status, just select it. In this case, the device has a firmware update available. If you're looking for a proactive way to monitor device health, use Rules. Select Notifications and Alerts, followed by Rules, and then select the device state rule to configure it. This rule sends a notification when a monitored device goes offline. Indicate which users you want to monitor by selecting Add. And then, in the Select Device Users side pane, search for and select the users you want to add to the rule. Megan Bowman, in this case. You can, of course, add multiple users. When done, select Apply to save your changes. You can configure a webhook for notifications, but in this case, I'll select Channel Alert to send them to a team that our admins can monitor. To use an existing channel, select Select Channel. In this case, I'll select Admin Alerts and Notifications, with alerts going into a channel named Monitoring Alerts. And that's it. Make the rule active and select Save to start monitoring devices. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to monitor the health of your team's devices, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.